I just couldn't leave this alone. I had to have another look at it. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure you watch this video first. So this was the original faulty one, which I did get working in that video that was up there a minute ago. Hashtag spoiler. And this is the working one, which I bought to help me fix this one, and I ended up breaking. But I couldn't leave it alone, and I found something. Check this out. So this here is the chip that I took off and put back on, and there was a resistor here that is now missing. And the reason it's now missing is because I went to measure it, because I was like, I wonder if that resistor was faulty, because it had blown off the board. I don't know, there was just something about it. And anyway, I went to measure it, and sure enough, when I put my probes on it, it was measuring OL. It was open. And in the process of doing it, it pinged off. So I can't show you that it was OL, because it's no longer there, and I don't know where it's gone. But I think that's the problem. I don't think it's the chip. I have ordered a replacement chip, which will arrive in a few days. So if it is the chip, then I'll be able to swap that out as well. I'm wondering whether it's just that resistor. So I'm going to find a replacement 18K resistor and pop it in, and let's see what happens. 18K. I think that's an 8. I'm just going to put some aluminum tape over the plastic so that I don't have to reset my counter again. Airflow 60 and temperature 400. I've got a bridge there, but I don't know whether... I think I might be alright. I think it connects to that anyway, but... Alright, well, let's measure that. Multimeter in ohms. So we should have from here to here, should have, well, roughly 18. 17.8. I think that'll do nicely. Right, I will give it a full clean in a minute, but I'm just going to see if that works now. You never know. Okay, right, let's plug it in. Red light. And still red light. Get in there! The red light's still on. Let's just make sure the controller still comes on. Yes, it does. I think that was it. Right, well, I need to put this back together properly. I need to put this little board back in. I've got to resolder that. And I need to give it all a good clean. So let's do that. Right, there we go. Let's see if this charges now. So I'm just using a power bank rather than connecting it to the PC. I'm hoping that the PC reset it. Red light, and still red light. Let's just make sure that it's drawing amps with the amp meter. Yeah, there we go. 0.5 amps. Red light's on. So it is charging. Amazing. Right, well, let's hook up to the Nintendo Switch and see what happens. Amazing. There we go. It's connected. Let's test the buttons. Awesome. Yes. Mario Tennis! Mario Tennis! Never played this before in my life. Haha! Oh my lord. Stupid tennis. What's Sean Connery's favourite time for playing tennis? Tennis.